to put 2 sticks of butter, 2 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese, and a 2-pound bag of powdered sugar. And the first thing that we have to do, wipe out our bowl, make sure it's good and clean. And we're going to put the butter and the cream cheese in here. We're going to put the paddle attachment on, and we're going to let this beat until it's smooth and creamy and fluffy and light. And it's going to be about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been just about 5 minutes. I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to show you. It's very light and fluffy. Let me get a spatula here so I can show you what it looks like. It's very soft and very creamy, and that's just how you want it. I'll show you when I touch it, because if you put your finger in there, it's nice, it feels good. And this, of course, is just butter and powdered sugar, so it just tastes like butter and powdered sugar. Butter and cream cheese, so it just tastes like cream cheese right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a measuring cup here to use as a scoop. We may not use this whole 2 pounds, but I'm going to start. I'm not going to sift my powdered sugar. I just have a 1/3 cup measure here. I'm just going to start putting it in and letting it go. And you don't want your mixer on high, because you will have white dust all over your kitchen, and it will not be fun to clean up. This cream cheese frosting is excellent on anything: chocolate cake, carrot cake, red velvet cake. It's a good recipe to have in your repertoire, a good recipe to have in your recipe box. Everyone should know how to make a good cream cheese frosting. Before I get too far along with the sugar, though, I am going to add this is my vanilla bean crush that I get from King Arthur flour. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of it. That's about a capful. And you can see the consistency is already starting to change because of the sugar. And we are most likely going to add this entire 2-pound bag, because we want it pipeable. We want to put it in a pastry bag, and we want to be able to pipe it when we decorate our cupcakes. And there's just a little bit left, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to put it on higher, and I'm going to let it beat for about 3 minutes so that it really gets incorporated in there and it gets nice and rich and fluffy. So here we go. See ya. Okay, we've done about 3 minutes, and we're done. So let's take this off of the mixing stand.